Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about hypothalamic control of pituitary gland, and also we will discuss different type of hormones which are released by hypothalamus. Now this hypothalamus and the pituitary gland are connected by a stalk which is known as infundibulum. Actually, hypothalamus secrete different type of hormones which activate this pituitary gland, or pituitary gland also known as master gland. So hypothalamus is called as master gland or supreme commander. This pituitary gland have two regions. One is adenohypophysis, and this region is called as anterior pituitary portion, and another is neurohypophysis, and this region is called as posterior pituitary portion. And hypothalamus connected through adenohypophysis by hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. So this is hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system, and hypothalamus secrete many releasing hormone into this hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. We will discuss details about this hypothalamic hypophyseal portal system. Then this releasing hormone released into this hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system, and this carry this releasing hormone into anterior pituitary gland, and there are present many pituitary cell, and this releasing hormone activate this pituitary cell. Posterior part of pituitary gland is called as neurohypophysis, but this neurohypophysis does not have own hormone. Actually, oxytocin and the vasopressin, these two neurohormones are released through this neurohypophysis, but these two neurohormones are synthesized in the hypothalamus, and this hypothalamic neuron carry this neurohormone into neurohypophysis, and then this neurohormone will be released from this neurohypophysis. Hypothalamus is a part of diencephalon, and diencephalon is also a part of our forebrain, and this diencephalon have three regions. The roof of the diencephalon is called as epithalamus, and in middle region there are present thalamus, and this thalamus is also called as relay center, because this carry many sensory information into cerebral cortex, and the lower portion of this diencephalon is called as hypothalamus. Okay, so this hypothalamus is a part of diencephalon, and this form floor of third ventricle, and this contains many nuclei. What is nuclei? When neuronal cell body accumulated together, this will form nuclei and connected with pituitary by infundibulum, and hypothalamus is originated from ectoderm. And hypothalamus is also called as supreme commander or master of the master gland, because this hypothalamus controls secretion of pituitary gland. Then hypothalamus has many neurosecretory cells, or the neurons, and the cell bodies of this neuron are called as nuclei, and it secrete hormone. Actually, this secreted hormone activate anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary, and the hypothalamic neuron connected to anterior pituitary via portal system, and some hypothalamic neurons are directly connected to the posterior pituitary gland, and these hypothalamic neurons synthesized two important neurohormone, oxytocin and vasopressin. These are synthesized in the hypothalamus but released through neurohypophysis or posterior part of pituitary. And here you can see oxytocin and the vasopressin. So oxytocin are synthesized from paraventricular nucleus, and vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone released and secreted from supraoptic nucleus. Then this is actual the diagram of pituitary and its relationship with hypothalamus. Then releasing hormone which are secreted from hypothalamus will be released into hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system, and this will carry this releasing hormone into anterior pituitary gland and activate different pituitary cell of anterior pituitary gland or adenohypophysis. But the two important neurohormone, that is oxytocin and the vasopressin, are synthesized in hypothalamus but released through posterior pituitary. There are present no blood connection in between hypothalamus and posterior pituitary gland. Actually, these neurons synthesize this neurohormone, and they directly release this neurohormone via posterior pituitary gland. We study about hypothalamus and the pituitary relationship. So hypothalamus secretes certain factors that control the release of anterior pituitary hormone. So hypothalamus is called as supreme commander, and such releasing factor of hypothalamus called hypothalamic hypophysiotropic hormone, or this is also known as releasing hormone. Hypothalamus connected with anterior pituitary through vascular connection, and this is called as hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. And we will study about this hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. This is very important, and sometimes it creates confusion to the students. So we will study about this hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system. Hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system consisting of two plexus. One is primary plexus and another is secondary plexus, or two plexuses are present here. So you can see this is hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system, and this is primary plexus and this is secondary plexus. Blood vessel from the carotid arteries and circle of Willis form a network of the fenestrated capillary in the hypothalamus. This is called as primary plexus. It is mainly located at a median eminence or ventral of hypothalamus. Then primary plexus located in ventral of hypothalamus, and this primary plexus arise from carotid arteries and circle of Willis, right? And blood from this capillary, so blood from this primary plexus drain into another set of capillary in anterior pituitary. So this secondary plexus present in anterior pituitary where releasing hormones are released, and this is called as portal circulation because this system begins and ends in capillaries without going to the heart. Called portal circulation because this system begins and ends in capillaries without going to the heart. So the two capillaries here are primary plexus and secondary plexus, and this primary plexus located in ventral hypothalamus, remember this, and secondary plexus are located in adenohypophysis. Now we study different hypothalamic releasing hormone and which activate adenohypophysis. So first one is growth hormone releasing hormone, and this growth hormone releasing hormone is also called as somatokinin, and this growth hormone releasing hormone are secreted from arcuate nuclei of hypothalamus, and this release growth hormone from anterior pituitary. Okay, so this will help release of growth hormone or somatotropic hormone from anterior pituitary. And second releasing hormone is thyrotropin releasing hormone, and this thyrotropin releasing hormone is secreted from paraventricular nucleus, and this thyrotropin releasing hormone activate adenohypophysis to release thyroid stimulating hormone and also prolactin from anterior pituitary. This is very, very important. So this thyrotropin releasing hormone not only causes release of thyroid stimulating hormone, but it also causes release of prolactin hormone, and this prolactin hormone acts on our mammary gland to generate milk. Type of releasing hormone is corticotropin releasing hormone, and this corticotropin releasing hormone are secreted from paraventricular nucleus, and this promotes secretion of ACTH or adrenocorticotropic hormone and beta lipoprotein. Hormone is gonadotropin releasing hormone, and this gonadotropin releasing hormone activate adenohypophysis to secrete gonadotropic hormone, and this gonadotropic hormone are two types, FSH or follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone. So these two types of hormone are secreted from adenohypophysis of both male and female. First type of releasing hormone is melanocyte stimulating hormone, and this melanocyte stimulating hormone acts on median portion of pituitary gland, not adenohypophysis or neurohypophysis, but in between these two regions, the mid region of of pituitary gland is present, and this causes secretion of melanocyte stimulating hormone, right? And usually this melanocyte stimulating hormone are observed in case of lower vertebrates, not in case of man. And hypothalamic inhibiting hormone, not only hypothalamus secrete many releasing hormone, but this also secrete many inhibiting hormone, and which inhibit release of different type of hormone from pituitary gland. So first one is growth hormone inhibiting hormone. Growth hormone inhibiting hormone is also known as somatostatin hormone, and this somatostatin hormone are secreted from periventricular nuclei of hypothalamus, and this inhibit release of growth hormone. Second one is prolactin inhibiting hormone. So thyrotropin releasing hormone activate secretion of prolactin hormone, and also this will secrete prolactin inhibiting hormone, or this is called as dopamine. So this will also inactive, or this will also inhibit the secretion of prolactin hormone from adenohypophysis. Okay, so this prolactin inhibiting hormone, or this is also known as dopamine, and this is secreted from arcuate nuclei of hypothalamus, and this inhibits secretion of prolactin from adenohypophysis. Another type is melanocyte stimulating inhibiting hormone, and this melanocyte stimulating inhibiting hormone inhibits secretion of melanocyte stimulating hormone. These are the different type of releasing hormone which is secreted from hypothalamus and carried by hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal system into adenohypophysis, and this will activate or inhibit adenohypophysis for secretion or inhibition of their hormone. Video we will discuss about neurohypophysis, and this neurohypophysis do not synthesize any type of hormone, but the two important neurohormone, that is oxytocin or vasopressin, which are synthesized in hypothalamus, but these are released through neurohypophysis. So in next video we will discuss about function and release of these two important neurohormone, that is oxytocin and vasopressin. So thank you, and that's it.